Hello students. Last class we did problems on dependent branches, and the first method was debtors method. So we've already started with dependent branches. So there are various methods in dependent branches, and we started with debtor method. So what are the other various methods? Goods invoiced at cost or selling price. So when head office is sending the goods, either it can send at cost, and sometimes if the head office doesn't want to reveal the cost price, it might be sending it at the selling price. So what are the various methods which is there? If the goods are invoiced at wholesale price, then wholesale branch method. If the goods are invoiced at cost or selling price, then debtor method, stock and debtor method, and final account method. So let us see debtor method suitable for small size branches. Separate branch account is maintained for each branch to compute profit and loss made by each branch. Debit side balance, stock, debtor, petty cash, and expenses of the branch paid by the head office, as we noticed in the previous problem, are debited to branch account. Credit side balance, cost of goods returned by the branch are credited. At the end of the year, the value of unsold stock, the total of customer balance outstanding, and that of petty cash are bought into the branch account on the credit side, and the branch account reveal profit or loss, that is general profit or loss account. So let us get back to the problem. Last class I told you that you will be trying out the second problem from your side. So let us look into the solution. So last class we saw the problem was Goodone operates a retail branch at Bangalore. All purchases are made by the head office at Mumbai, goods being cleared out of the branch at cost price. All cash received by the branch is remitted to Mumbai, that is head office. The head office reimburses petty cash expenses from time to time. From the following particulars relating to Bangalore branch, you are requested to prepare branch account in the books of Mumbai and ascertain profit and loss. So this is the opening balance of the stock, petty cash, plant, and this is the closing stock. Let us look into the adjustments. It's a simple adjustment. Petty expenses paid by branch account of interest system rupees 700. If you remember, I told a note regarding the interest system. That is, interest system will always have the opening and closing balance same. Cash sales during the year rupees 70,000. Sale of a plant. So they have sold part of the plant for rupees 800, whereas the actual value of the plant is 900. So let us see what is the adjustment related to this. Expenses paid by the head office rupees 5,000. It is required to write off plant by 20% per annum. So let's see what is the solution which you have done. Cross check. So the solution is, as we saw, the opening balance of the stock is 8,000, petty cash is 800, plant is 10,000, which is written on the debit side, that is the opening balance. Then petty expenses paid by the branch, that is 700, which is recorded. Then during this period, expenses paid by the head office rupees 5,000, that is also recorded. Then goods sent to the branch. So a head office is sending goods to the branch, 50,000, which is recorded. So all the debit side is recorded. Any transactions left out? No. So cash is during the year was 70,000, which has to be recorded on the credit side because it is receiving the money. So cash in 70,000. So we have sold the plant because of which we will be receiving money. Again, sale of plant 800. So total 70,800. So let us look into the closing stock. Closing stock is 7,000. Then plant. As we said, the plant was being sold. So what is the adjustment related to plant? The plant, the total, the opening balance is 10,000. Sale was made at 900. As the value, book value is 900. We have sold it for 900. Balance is 9,100. We have to depreciate it by 20% because the question says 20%. 1,820. So the balance amount is 7,280, which is recorded here. So we are not going to consider the profit and loss which is being incurred by the plant. As we remember, we have discussed already in the note. So that is one thing. Note. Related to the balance of petty cash, it is 800. If you remember, we have also discussed this related to petty cash. That is, petty cash expenses maintained on Impress system. That is, same opening and closing balance should be maintained. Simple reason, we can keep it in this way. 800 out of which 700 was utilized, which is being reimbursed. What was the balance which was there in our hand? 800 minus 700, 100 was there and 700 was reimbursed. Together, closing balance is 800. So this is problem number 2 which is being solved. So let us go for the next problem. Question number 3. A firm is having its head office at Bangalore and branch office at Mysore. Following are the transaction of the head office with branch for the year ended 31st December 2014. Furniture depreciated or depreciate furniture by 10%. Prepare branch account. Petty cash at branch 12,500. Stock at branch 7,50,000. So furniture 4,50,000. Goods is being sent during the year, that is 37,75,000. Goods have been returned for 25,000. Cash sales is done for 52,50,000. The check is being sent to the branch by the head office for establishment expenses 2,50,000. Petty cash 75,000. Salary outstanding for the branch employee, the salary is outstanding 25,000, which has to be remitted before the money is being paid. So we have to hold this money. Petty expenses incurred by branch 67,500. So they have incurred 67,500. Stock 10 lakhs. So let's solve the problem. Let's go for the format. So the second problem, I'm not asking the profit. So the profit is 11,380. If you got this, it is correct. If you not got the correct answer, you can always keep it as a question and we can solve it. Or you can ask your doubts in the chat, so we can solve it there also. So make a note of it. So let us draw the format. I'll just copy the same format so that it is easy for me to do it. I'll remove all this. So let us start with the problem. Question number 3, you can look into the question once. So the third question starts. First one, stock at branch is 7,50,000. Petty cash is 12,500. Next, furniture opening balance 4,50,000. Goods supplied during the year 37 lakhs 35,000. Is there any return related to it? So if there is return, let's put it inside then outside. So return goods is being returned for 25,000. So the balance is 37 lakhs 50,000. So let us look into the closing one. We can do it later. So let us look into the debit side of it. So to bank, as you can see, the establishment expenses is given by check, and that is 250. We'll put it in the inner column. What else is there? Petty cash. Petty cash 75,000. Together 3,25,000. Salary outstanding, we'll put it later. What else is left out? Okay. Amount received. Through cash sales, we have received how much? 52 lakh 50,000. So we have received any other amount? No. Stock closing 10 lakhs. So there is some related to the asset, that is 4,50,000. The depreciation is how much? Furniture depreciated. Okay, it is furniture. Fine, we'll change it. Depreciation at 10%, 45,000. So 4,05,000. So petty expenses. So there is a note. Let's look into the note. What is the note? The opening balance was 12,500. So have we any other? Yes, we have received also money 75,000. Okay, and we have spent. What is the total balance? We have got 87,500. Out of which again we have spent some amount, 67,500. So the final balance, closing balance is 20,000. Oh, 20,000. So now this can be taken further. Let's see which is the highest. If I see here, the total is more. Here the total is less by 15 lakhs, 14 lakhs. So highest total goes aside. So the balance is profit. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. I have missed salary outstanding. remove the balance. So salary outstanding, because again it will change. Okay, it is just 25,000. So again the highest amount will be on the credit side. Let's post 25,000. Highest amount is on the credit side. So again you will get two profit and loss account. So what is the profit? Let's calculate. Like what is the total of this side? Okay. So the total is 66,75,000 debit side. Total of credit side is 53,500. So the profit is 13,62,500. So the branch from Mysore branch, the Bangalore head office has got 30,62,500 as profit. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.